away from the holy mind. Pride. That's why I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on lingering.
Hope we have.
On repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on. But you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road to never end. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving. In the heat from a hot California, I forgot how you looked like in rain. That's why I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the
Field's
road
starting to kind of get light there.
Yeah, I really.
There's that movement. Neutralize it.
Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
Look how smooth that was.
Yeah.
That was nice. Nice job. El Paso Tower, helicopter 92 Mike Echo, hit landing ramp with Lima.
Helicopter 92 Mike Echo, fast tower.
Request VFR departure to the east, 92 Mike Echo.
Helicopter 92 Mike Echo, squawk 0412, departure from a non-moving area will be at your own risk. Wind 290 at 3, proceed as requested.
0412, proceeding as requested to the east, 92 Mike Echo.
Helicopter 2 Mike Echo, stay requested VFR altitude.
Just, let's see, 4,000, or, sorry, 4,500.
But you got me good.
Go ahead.
Okay.
A little bit of right pedal. I'd follow this taxiway out. Beautiful. And we're off.
Yes, sir.
Helicopter 2 Mike Echo, radar contact El Paso altimeter 3005.
3005. You can hold this altitude.
4,500, you said.
And this road will take us quite a ways, actually.
Okay.
So you can just kind of parallel
Caution,
this.
obstacle.
Tower, good morning, American 2902.
American 2902 El Paso Tower.
Yes, ma'am, I'm looking at the Iris, winds are calm, and then departure to 6 left. Not sure if that's going to work, but any chance we can request 04 for departure?
Yeah, that was a nice pickup, huh?
That was very good.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, you look outside, you feel it.
Right.
That was smooth. That was very smooth.
Yeah.
Well, that one said terrain, so it's talking probably that hill.
Yeah, well, you see the antenna.
Yeah, I got it. This road will take us through the Salt Flats and through Guadalupe Pass. And kind of torn on where to make our first stop here, just based on fuel. Probably do Hobbs or that EE11 Andrews County that you chose, but right now Andrews County is IFR.
We can. How about Hobbs? Is that IFR?